Nice to remember, Charles.
Yeah. Nice to see you again. You too.
Ooh, this is another one of those shows that if you're not watching, you might want to be. It's a big love triangle on Younger. So will Liza choose the much younger Josh or the more age-appropriate Charles? The dilemma continues tonight at 10 on TV Land.
Well, Josh, portrayed by Nico Tortorella, is one side of the triangle. And playing this latest story angle hits very close to home for him.
Have you ever been in a love triangle? Many.
Triangles, squares, circles, octagons. Yeah, of course.
All shapes,
all shapes and sizes. We're all welcome here.
Who knew geometry could be so sexy? Nico is an equal opportunity lover in real life, in which he recently revealed that he is sexually fluid.
What does that mean to people who don't really understand?
It means I do whatever I want whenever I want it. And I don't really have a problem with it. Yeah.
Don't judge.
Yeah.
But I love it. You say, too, coming up for you, for whichever, you just are who you are. It was never a big, you've always just been you. It wasn't like a big discussion with your parents or grandparents.
Yeah, you know, I mean, I think we just kind of have to take the weight off of it a little bit. Look, it's 2016. We live in a beautiful country, right? And there's a lot of crazy stuff happening, but I still love where we live, you know? And I think that everybody has the right to do what they want and be the person that they want to be, as long as it's affecting positive change in the world.
So you've been with men, you've been with women. Is there something you love about men or women more than the other?
I just love people, man. I mean, that's it.
Who's more difficult to date?
Come on.
Women.
I think so. I was going to say, that's an easy answer, right?
Nico explores love and sexuality on his weekly podcast, The Love Bomb, which he will be taking to EW's Pop Fest this weekend. Those who follow him on Instagram are sure to see his shirtless pics, and he is very candid about his past battle with alcohol.
2 years in January, so almost 2 years. Yeah, 2 years sober from alcohol.
How bad was your problem before that?
Oh, well, I wouldn't be here. Let's just say that. I wouldn't be here having this conversation with you guys.
Yeah. Met Nico. He's so smart and funny and likable.
Right? We love Nico.
Yeah, that's right. Well, coming up, at a price tag.